शादी के बाद किसी भी महिला का कोई भी डिसीजन वो सिर्फ उसका अपना नहीं होता, बल्कि उस डिसीजन में उसकी पार्टनर की सहमति का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। ये तो आप जानते ही हैं।
बिल्कुल। हैप्पीनेस इज ऑल अबाउट शेयरिंग।
शेयरिंग। सो आई हैव अ थॉट ऑफ शेयरिंग। पिताजी का देहांत हाल ही में हुआ 20 फरवरी के दिन, और क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ हिंदुस्तान में ये प्रथा नहीं है कि कोई भी लड़की अपने पिता के देहांत के बाद अपने बालों को निकाले, पर मुझे ऐसे लगा कि उनकी जो बीमारी चल रही थी कैंसर की, जिसमें मैं कोई योगदान नहीं कर पाई, ना उनको मैं संभाल सकी, ना उनकी सेवा कर सकी, तो मेरी एक ऐसी इच्छा जागी मन में, क्यों ना मैं अपने बालों को निकाल कर एक कैंसर पीड़ित या कैंसर से लड़ रहे इंसान की मदद करूं, जो कीमोथेरेपी के थ्रू अपना आत्मविश्वास खो देते हैं, बहुत बड़ी एक फाइट को झेलते हैं। और अगर मैं उनके लिए अपने बालों को निकाल कर एक विग बनाकर किसी एक महिला की मदद कर सकूं, या मेरे थ्रू वो बाल उन तक पहुंच सके, तो मेरी ये एक इच्छा है। और मुझे पता है हिंदू धर्म में या हिंदुस्तान में ये इच्छा इतनी आसानी से एक्सेप्ट नहीं की जा सकती। तो सबसे पहले तो आपसे मुझे जानना है कि आप इसके लिए सहमत हैं या नहीं, और अगर आप जो भी इस पर अपने विचार व्यक्त करें।
ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। किसी नेक काम के लिए अगर हम अपनी कोई भी प्रिय चीज़ त्याग कर सकते हैं, तो वैसे भी हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई सभी धर्मों पे यही सिखाया गया है, यही बताया गया है, इसी का मार्गदर्शन है कि हमें ये करना चाहिए कि अगर हम किसी की खुशी के लिए अपने तरफ से कुछ भी कुर्बानी कर सकते हैं, त्याग कर सकते हैं, या किसी से कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, तो करना चाहिए। और ये तो बालों का तो मेरे ख्याल से नारी का सबसे बड़ा त्याग यही माना जाएगा कि सुंदरता बालों से ही होती है। लेकिन अगर अच्छे कॉज के लिए की जा रही है, तो उससे ज़्यादा सुंदर नारी और उससे ज़्यादा सुंदर काम कोई दूसरा नहीं होता।
थैंक यू सो मच। आपने इसकी सहमति दे दी, मेरे लिए यही बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो मैंने हैदराबाद में हेयर डोनेशन फॉर कैंसर पेशेंट के द्वारा, एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के द्वारा शिवा से कांटेक्ट किया। शिवा ने मुझे बताया कि आपके जो बाल है वो किस तरह से निकाले जाएंगे और उसका क्या तरीका होगा, और उसका बिफोर आफ्टर केयर भी कैसे किया जाएगा, और वो जो उस बालों को विग बनेगा वो डायरेक्ट कैंसर पेशेंट को मिलेगा। और इसके अलावा उसने ये भी कहा कि लाइफ में आगे जाकर अगर हम किसी कैंसर पेशेंट के लिए एक विग की डिमांड करें शिवा से, तो वो भी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट उसे वो हमारे तक पहुंचाएगा या उस कैंसर पेशेंट तक पहुंचाएगा। तो शिवा की जानकारी मैंने जितनी निकाली आपको मैंने अभी बताई। उसका फेसबुक पेज भी है, और काफ़ी इंडियन एक्सप्रेस न्यूज़ द्वारा और हैदराबाद में, तेलंगाना में काफ़ी चर्चा है उसके काम की।
तो वेरी गुड। जब शिवा को ही हम लोग बाल दे रहे हैं, शिवा के नाम पर ही दे रहे हैं, शिवा को ही दे रहे हैं, और शिवा ही हमारे तुम्हारे बालों को सही इस्तेमाल में ला रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि शिवा तो कुछ जटाधारी होते हैं, तो वो तुम्हारे तो तुम्हें इससे भी तंदुरुस्त और इससे भी अच्छे बाल वापस करेंगे। शिव जी की कृपा तुम पर बनी रहेगी। जय भोलेनाथ, हर हर महादेव।
चलिए, थैंक यू। तो शिवा, आपके इस हैदराबाद हेयर डोनेशन फॉर कैंसर पेशेंट फाउंडेशन के लिए आज मैंने ये प्लेज किया है कि मैं अपने बाल आपकी संस्था तक पहुंचाऊं, और आप उसका एक विग बनाकर किसी कैंसर पीड़ित की मदद करें।
जय हिंद।
जय हिंद। Hello, Shiva. Hi, it is great pleasure to see you right now in front of me. And let me tell you that when I was searching on Facebook how I can donate my hair for a good cause and for cancer patient, I was just I could see your Facebook page, and immediately I took down the number and I tried to contact you, and now you are here in front of me. So thank you. First of all, thank you to connect on this, and please
Yes,
give
ma'am.
some more detail on this.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me opportunity to explain my gesture. Hello, ma'am. This is Shiva from Hyderabad Hair Donation for Cancer Patients. I'm Shiva, a professional hairstylist. Other than styling away people's hair, had thought a look forward, and when I started thinking it stuck in my mind. On one side, people with long hair wants to get their makeover done, and other side, like cancer warriors who actually lose their hair for chemo, which actually brings down their mental health and lose their hope and stability. So I decided to lend my creativity on this part, where I help the people in getting the haircuts and getting the makeover, and with the cut hair and with their concern, absolute concern, I'll be converting it into the wig. I take it as a donation. I'll be converting into the wig. And till today, we have donated more than 34 wigs. And this gives me an immense pleasure and in serving the both the segments as a hairstylist, as in running an NPO, non-profitable organization.
Okay.
And like when I started this organization, like in 2019, 2018 ending 2019, like the organization name is Hyderabad Hair Donation for Cancer Patients, and it is a registered organization.
Hyderabad Hair
got
Donation
registered under
for
63.
cancer patient. Hyderabad Hair Donation for cancer
Yes.
patient, right? Okay.
Yes, and here, like we have donated more than 34 weeks till today. Sorry, 35 weeks till today, with the free of cost. We did not charge even
A
from
great
the
number.
beneficiary, not from the donor.
Okay. So then when I was searching something about this, I just want to tell you a small thing that my father passed away on this 20th February. And though he was battling cancer, but his cancer was some different type of cancer which he was battling. And I could not do anything for him. And he was already in the age of 88. So there I just felt a kind of vibration came to my mind. Why can't I do something good for at least one single person on this planet if I can do something, a bit of mine? So I was just searching that if I can donate my hair. So instantly I saw it on the Facebook, and then I got to see that you have really done a very good job. I could see that you have donated wigs to directly cancer patient, which was really difficult for me to understand. And also when I contacted the number, it was immediately you started talking to me and let me know how the procedure can be done. So it was really trustful. First of all, thank you for that I can take my all trust on you. And secondly, I'm happy that it is going in the right hand. And as you said, if I want to donate, I can actually come to Hyderabad and do this. But due to all this pandemic crisis, I think it will be great if I can send it to you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, we only prepare the wigs with the help of our wig makers. Like natural wigs will be visibly like this.
Okay. So this is a proper hair of someone.
Yes, 7 people hair, ma'am.
Okay, that's really great. So the length is needed is quite big, because my hair, I want to shave it right from here, Shiva, and I want to donate it fully. So my hair is exactly, I can say, is 12 to 14 inches, right? It is around 14 to 15 inches hair length. Is that going to work? Because I want to complete shave. I want to give you the whole hair. I don't want to give you a small cutting or something.
Yes, ma'am. It will be definitely like the minimum length of hair donation is only 12 inches, ma'am. And there are 2 types of hair donations. One is lengthwise and another is complete hair. When you donate in a lengthwise manner,
I will be doing this completely.
Yes. And when you donate a lengthwise manner, it is called as in locks.
Okay.
When you donate complete hair, it is called as in locks. When you donate complete hair, it is called as in crown.
Crown.
Okay. And 6 to 7 people hair is necessary for making of one wig.
Okay, that's great. I'm just willing this, that if I can do something and some people can motivate themselves and more people come forward to do this kind of gesture, it will be really helpful to all those mankind who are really battling cancer. So it is something, if I am a female and I am doing it to a female only, so my hair will go directly to a female, or it can go to any gender?
Ma'am, it is not like that. Most probably female will be preferring the wigs.
Okay.
Like when they lose their hair, like they'll be losing their self-confidence and self-esteem, self-identity. Yes. So we'll be providing them with the free of cost, and we get a request from throughout India. Like recently, we have provided a wig from to Delhi, to Kalkaji, and one of the wig we have donated to Chennai. Like it is in Agraharam Vidi. It is in
That's
Chennai.
really great.
Washerman Pit. Washerman Pit.
That's great cause. I mean, you yourself doing this great cause, and it's a very noble task you have taken in front of you, and people are coming towards forwarding their self. And as I understood and I got motivated, I would really love to see many people get motivated and do it. Let me tell you a small introduction of myself, that my husband is Mr. Sunil Pal, the Great Indian Laughter Challenge winner, and he's the only one stand-up comedian all over Asia that he is into a Guinness Book of World Record. And being his better half, I have produced the films which I have also been into the Guinness Book of World Record. So this will be a kind of small bit from our end, if people can motivate through our this gesture and come forward to do this kind of noble deed.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, I hope so. And the donated hair will be converted into wigs. Like basically, like we need 12 inches of hair. Like we accept chemically treated colored hair and gray hair and everything.
Okay.
Okay. And the minimum length of hair should be 12 inches.
Right now, my hair is very dry, dull, and like not colored, not treated any chemical. So I can say this will be a complete virgin hair, if that can be helped.
Yes, it will be useful. So like and if there is any necessity of wig also, you can definitely contact us. We'll be providing a free cost of wigs. We are working for the sake of noble cause.
Wonderful.
We are not working for the sake of
I want to
certificates.
tell you that with this hair, I want to donate a very small amount as a token, which you can use for creating a wig, like wherever the cost can be inculcated in the wig formation. That will be a small token to your foundation also. And we are looking forward to it. So let me know, Shiva, what is the procedure, how it will be done, what is the before after care I need to take something, or is there any painful thing which we have to see through it or something? So this can be an idea if people watch this video further, they have to understand what is the procedure.
Ma'am, before the donation, like a hair should be cleansed with a shampoo twice, and no conditioner should be applied, no excess oil, like serum, like and conditioners.
Okay.
And the hair should be 100% dry before the haircut. Okay. And if they contact us, we'll be going to their place and providing a free haircut for them. And if there is any necessity of wig also, they can definitely contact us. We'll be providing a free cost of wig for them.
Okay, that's great. So it's great. We are looking forward to go tomorrow, and we will be connecting you on the next chapter, how it has to go further. And as I heard about you when I was going through your Facebook page, I heard about you that your lots of noble work, your all this gesture has already been noticed by the government of India, government of Telangana, and they have already posted this into the newspaper and some social media. So can you just brief me on that also?
Yes. Ma'am, actually, our organization is a registered organization under 688 of 2020 Act. And our organization is a non-profitable organization. And my organization got featured in an Indian Express.
That's great.
Namaste Telangana. Like it's in Telangana paper. It's in state paper. And Telangana Today.
Okay.
Yes. And Hindu paper is
that means
yet to be
people
published.
are getting aware of your work also, and they are getting motivated through your this deed also.
Yes. And Sakshi, ETV Telangana, ETV Andhra, and a lot of channels has covered our organization work.
Let me see how we can motivate people and how we can put it across to different channels, different media, and we will try to motivate more and more people for this. Surely.
Yes. I hope so.
Sure. So let's connect again after the break, and then we shall continue how we will go forward for it. Thank you, Shiva. Thanks for all the information. Sooner we will catch on this on the next stage of this removing my hair and sending it to you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
ये है मेरे दोनों बेटे, इसका नाम है सरल और इसका नाम है प्रबल। एंड मैं जानना चाहती हूँ प्रबल, आपको मेरे डिसीजन को जानकर कैसा लगा?
मुझे लगा कि आई डोंट वांट Mama to do this because it's kind of like very shameful looking in somebody else. But after Mama explaining of what is the real truth, I took up a step and said, Mama, I will be for you for everything. And our mom has decided to do this big decision to donate her hair to cancer patients, and I'm really proud of her for this, and I wish her all the best.
Yay! Cheers!
ओके मैं सुनीता और ये मेरी छोटी बहन सरिता जो आज वो एक्शन लेने जा रही है। आज मैं बहुत मुझसे मैं सिर्फ अपने आप से बहुत बड़ा फील कर रही हूँ। जो वो कैंसर पेशेंट के लिए करने जा रही है वो मैं भी नहीं कर पाई जो वो कर रही है। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ जो आज वो अपने योगदान दे रही है बालों का किसी के लिए जो फ्यूचर में काम आएंगे। तो हम आई एम रियली अप्रिशिएट हर कि शी इज़ डूइंग सच अ ग्रेट जॉब। तो फाइनली वी आर इन लखनऊ सलून और बस यहाँ से अब हम शुरुआत करेंगे हेयर की शेडिंग का।